Hey, Lydia, do you mind going through a donation box?
No, of course not.
Okay, thanks. Interesting.
Everyone had become a simple mass, going to and from, with any thought having been considered as evil. And to do anything else except go about was considered a great danger. Until the most horrible of cries was heard. It shook the very ground, but only one man responded. For his crime of standing out, his death came swiftly. But his death was not in vain.
Is that book from the donation box?
No. Yes. It's so boring, but I just can't seem to put it down.
Weird. You should probably get some help about that.
Yeah, maybe.
Hi. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to scare you.
May I help you?
Yes, I wanted to check out the book you're reading.
I'm sorry, but this book hasn't been processed through our system yet. You'll just have to come back later.
Actually, with our new system, you can process a book in only 15 minutes.
Oh, perfect. It's one of my favorites.
Why read something you've read before? Especially something so boring.
Well, that's because you've read only what you can see. It's more about what you can't see.
Well, how am I supposed to understand it without someone teaching me how to properly read it?
I was hoping you would ask.
So that's why it's so hard to understand.
Yes, there's a whole organization out there trying to stop what we're doing.
Sounds like a spy to me.
Yes, except the real secret is the war.
Hold on. I don't know if I want to be a part of any war, okay?
Did you see anything or anyone appear when you started reading the book?
You?
Anyone else?
Well, now that you mention it, I'm not positive. It's just a feeling.
Once you know the truth, you become a threat. People will try to silence you. All those who know are agents. And bookworms.
So what now?
Now that you know the truth, share to anyone who will listen.
Where are you going?
Wherever the book may lead me.
Hey, are you okay?
Once you know the truth, you become a threat. Wherever the book may lead me.
I understand.
I know you're here. You can't run forever. Tell me where it is, and I'll let you live.
No matter what, the truth will always find a way.